So right now, Mom is coloring my hair. Color green. I'm color brown. And this is my sister. Her name is what's her name? Oh, her name is Fiona Claudette Ellie. And my name is Christine Carl Ellie. I mean Christine Faye Carl Ellie. Yes. This face is really kind of funny because her hair is right on her face. May parang nakasimangot ka na. Hindi pa pala ubos yung aking energy.
Ito nga mag-vlog. Take over.
Hi guys! I'm drinking Energen right now. Yes, I'm drinking Energen. Against the light, ate. Yan. Walang kanina against the dark.
Against the dark daw. Against the dark.
Against the light, against the dark. My sister is so funny. Tumingin ka dun, oh.
Yun na naman. Yan na naman. Bagay. Ilan ba kayong kanta mo dyan, no?
Nakatatlong beses na ulit na yan. Maganda kasi.
Pagkatapos naman niya, iba naman ang tumutugtog, ah. Baka naman nakaramdam, ano yan? Hindi lang sunod-sunod. Pagkatapos, di ba kanina iba na naman?
Harayin. Set. Oh my God.
Paano ito, ma?
Tastes good.
Malaki?
Tastes good.
Ganun talaga yun. Kailangan para mag-ulay.
Tastes good. Bop, bop, bop.
Yung salamin, nasaan?
Right over here. My sister needs the mirror. Mirror on the wall. Who's the prettiest of them all? Ate! I am gonna show you my hairpins. So this is the first one. We had the square with jewels. And it's beautiful. You can see that. Yes, so beautiful. And another one is the circle. This one has wiggly, not the swirl. This one is wiggly. This one is wiggly. And it's a circle. It's a pearl. It's perfect because my birthstone is pearl. So that is really nice because it's also pearl. And I have another pearl, but it's not wiggly. It's twisty again.
Dito man din galing.
So nice. And there's another one. It's like a green. And I'm gonna show you. It's wiggly. I mean it's twisty. So nice. I'm gonna clean the lens. There, you can see it much better. Wow. I'm gonna get it off. Ah! Oh no! Ate, say hi.
Hello.
Kira, nasaan si Kira? Kira! Kira is pooping. Kira, are you okay? Kira is pooping so eerie. Kira's poop is not like us. Against the dark. Against the light. Against the dark. Against the light. Hi guys.